Nestled in the charming fishing village of Watson's Bay, Sydney, sits a house reborn. Once a dark and enclosed brick structure, Camp Cove House has undergone a stunning transformation. Architect Nick Tobias, the owner himself, envisioned a light-filled haven for him and his two sons. Today, we explore this captivating project by Tobias Partners, where clever design and a focus on natural light create a sense of effortless livability. The story begins with a traditional brick house, weighed down by a lack of natural light and a disconnectedness from its surroundings. Nick, yearning for a brighter space for his family, knew it was time for a change. Partnering with his own firm, Tobias Partners, Nick embarked on a journey to transform the house. The vision? To create a light-filled sanctuary that embraced the beauty of its coastal location. Stepping into Camp Cove House, we're greeted by a sense of distinct functionality. 3 unique entryways cater to different needs. Walking further, we see the thoughtfully designed layout unfold. To the right lies the heart of the home, the kitchen, living, and dining area. A designated lounge provides a cozy space to the left. Upstairs, the bedrooms and bathrooms offer a haven for each family member. Descending to the lower level, we find practical utility spaces. But the true magic of Camp Cove House lies in its newfound connection to natural light. Extensive use of glass, meticulously installed by Vitrocsa, transforms the interior. Floor-to-ceiling sliding glass doors in the living area disappear seamlessly, blurring the lines between inside and outside. The result? A breathtaking panorama of the harbor and ocean. Nick's keen eye for detail ensures a smooth transition between interior and exterior spaces. Light becomes a key player, washing away the former darkness and creating a vibrant, inviting atmosphere. This isn't just a house, it's a haven for a growing family. Each son boasts a dedicated bedroom and bathroom, fostering independence while maintaining a sense of togetherness. The piece de resistance? An epic movie room, perfect for family movie nights or friendly gaming competitions. Despite its compact footprint, Camp Cove House utilizes space exceptionally well. The efficient layout ensures every square foot is utilized for maximum functionality.